Hello there. Today we'll be doing reverse a linked list. Given a singly linked list node, return its reverse. And bonus is, can you do this in O of one space? Well, there are two ways that I would like to go through. One is the iterative method, and the other is the recursive method. First, I would like to go through the iterative method, as it will be a little bit easier to explain, and then I'll go through the recursive method. All right, so I'm gonna start by doing a little bit of a drawing. Okay, so let's grab a pen here, and let's grab a small pen, and we're gonna have 1 points to 2 points to 3 and points to none. It looks like it's a little bit hard to see. Let me just make that bigger. Okay, so then 1 points to 2 points to 3 points to 4. So one thing I want to set is a reverse none here. I want to set that to reverse. I want to set this to head. In the next phase, I would like to point the head to rev, and then move the head to head.next. So, and move the rev to head. So rev is going to be at head, and head is going to be head.next, and so on and so forth. I'll repeat this process until I have the head has reached none. So what happens is, again, that head points to rev. So and then rev becomes head, and head becomes head.next. Let me repeat this one more time. So we have here head becomes head points to reverse. Reverse becomes head, and head becomes head.next. At this point, we return reverse, and we have 3 points to 2 points to 1 points to none, which is our answer. And that should be all. I'm gonna go code this up now, and we can see that some more, like get more intuition after we see the code. Okay, it's gonna be very, very simple. So reverse is set to none. Head is equal to the node. While head.next, reverse, and head. Well, head.next is equal to reverse. Reverse is equal to head, and head is equal to head.next. Now we're going to return the reverse pointer, and that should be all. Run. And submit. Perfect. Okay, so that was pretty easy. I hope everything makes sense. And now we're going to do the recursive method. The recursive method is a little bit less intuitive. So first I'm going to reverse all of this board, clean this up. So I need to just do eraser, just do a little cleaning. Okay, So this is, let's have the same example again. And what happens here is that we want the recursive method to take in this portion here. And point it to 1 and point it to none. And as you can see here, what happens is that we now have 2, 3, and 4. And we take this portion here and reverse that part. And we point it to 2. Point it to none. Then we take this portion here. Well, reverse that. We just take this portion here, reverse that, and point it to 3. And now we can go back and expand our recursion. So this is going to give us a 4 points to 3, because this is basically 4 and that returns. And now we get to have a 4 point to a 3. And now this 4, 3 goes into here. And now we have 4 points to 3 points to 2. And this 4, 3, 2 goes in here. And now we have 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me just pull this up a little bit. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Let's reverse that. Okay, looks like it's not gonna pull anymore. Well, I think that's what we need to do. We plug that in, and we get right, 4 points to 3 points to 2 points to 1. And that's our answer. So let's code this out, and I would think we'll get more intuition about it. Okay. So first of all, we're gonna do a if not node or not node dot next. We're gonna return the node. We're gonna set that like next node, or let's call it new node. It's easier that way. So node dot next and node dot next. So new node is going to be self.solve node.next, which is the whole bucket of items. Node.next is going to be our current node, because we want to move the current item to the last item, and then set that next item to none. So and then we'll return our new node. And repeating this process, we should be able to get a reverse linked list. Of course, perfect. So let's go through that example one more time, because this is slightly more confusing. Let me just grab this. Okay. So what happened was, we took this item here. This is the head. And what happened was, we moved it here into this next point. And we set the next point to none. So what we get here is, as we see here, we have the 1 pointing to the none, and this part pointing to the 1. I believe that totally makes sense, but let's go through it one more time. And so what happened is we take this particular item here, 2, 3, and 4, and move the 2 in front of the 3. And we take the 3 and 4 and we turn it into this particular reverse list. And we point it to the 2 points to none. As you can see, so on and so forth, we get our 3 and 4 and 4, 2, and 3 after our recursion ends, and we send it back and we get 4, 3, 2, and 1. If you have any questions, please drop me a comments, and I will come back and reply and try to resolve your question. And if you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe. And if you want more material, please check out the link in the description below. There will be iOS information and algos, which I'm working on. There might be new things in the future too. Alright, so thank you very much and have a good one.